Hey y'all, I'm Jamie Deen. Guess what? It's tea time. Welcome to Mom's Kitchen. I'm making tea today. This is a lime tea. Let me tell y'all what, when we grew up, we had sweet tea for breakfast every morning. I'm not kidding you. Look, I'm gonna boil 1 cup of water, and I got our lime juice in here. I'm gonna bring this to a boil while I'm talking. Then we're gonna melt our sugar in there. So we would always go through a gallon jug of milk. Mom would wash that out, and that's where we kept our tea. A gallon of sweet tea was always in our kitchen growing up. Made the local dentist happy. So tea. We drank so much tea growing up. And I got to college, I was still drinking tea. And I was working at Jeff's too. Hey boss, if you're watching. And I'd gotten so hot, and I drank 2 glasses of sweet tea, I'll never forget, as fast as I could. And that was the last day that I had sweet tea. I was just too hot, and it backed up on me, and I felt terrible. So now I cut it with a little bit of lemonade or a little bit of unsweet tea. And we're gonna make this the way that Mama used to. We're gonna melt our sugar water down first. Although remember, this has got lime juice in it. I love lime. Lime and Diet Coke is one of my really, truly flavors that I love. So we're gonna incorporate our lime juice right here in the beginning with our sugar water. And I've got another pot here that we're gonna brew our tea in. We're just using regular tea that Mom had here at the house. I'm gonna be putting 3 bags in there. So while this is boiling, we want all this sugar to melt in here. Now here's what you gotta do. You gotta be a little patient. Once I get all this sugar melted in here, we're gonna stop down, we're gonna wait and let this cool completely before we finish our other tea. We want this flavor to really marry up together and be as strong as it can be to give us a really sweet lime flavor for this. So it's a pretty simple recipe, but it's one I've never had before. Lime tea sounds good to me. Y'all stick around. When we come back from the break, we'll find out together. Tea time, tea for 2 or more. All right, let's go and take these out. Now look, you can make this a giant recipe or you can make it a small recipe. We've made it a small recipe here. So if you want to, I think the recipe that you'll find online called for 5 tea bags, so we've kind of cut down on this. So I'm gonna pour our tea in here. Just our straight tea. Fresh brewed, delish. And now we're coming back to our simple syrup. It's got our sugar and our lime in it. And we're gonna add this. We've cooled this down. Oh my gosh, look at this huge mess I've just made. At least it won't be sticky. We just made a short pitcher. It's a good thing too, look at the size of the mess I made just making these few cups of tea. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh, Mom, you're just in time. I'm making lime tea.
Oh, yum. Yum.
Something a little different for y'all as you're sitting around this spring and summertime and you want something fresh to drink.
Yeah. Is it sweet or unsweet?
It's sweet and it's made with lime juice. You don't look quite camera ready, so cheers to you.
I'm not.
Cheers. Trust me. Cheers.
I'm up next.
Well, it's a good thing y'all tuned in early. Mom will be around the corner later. This is a delicious tea right here, y'all. Ooh.
I bet it is.
With fresh lime in it, Mama, it's delicious. It really is. Y'all should try it. Mama just said vodka. It's time for us to stop. Jamie Deen, thanks for tuning in. See y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.